welcome back to the History Office. The main motive behind the launching of this channel is to make history learning as easy as possible. The History Office is going to start an online crash course for UGC-NET history. If you are a UGC-NET aspirant, please do register and do get benefited. The course includes free web-based tests, PDF notes and live online classes. Course is going to start on 15th July 2021. Limited seats are only available. Please do register and enjoy the tremendous amount of service. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do click on the like button, comment and do share as much as possible. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The History Office. Thank you. Goodbye.